Hello, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, this is a bit of a tip about your containment for your curtain wall. So people think they buy a kit and that's it. And what can I do with that kit? So let me teach you a little bit about what can happen with the kit and what you can do and how you can store it and what you can add on and so forth. So these big duffel bags, they're very strong, the big long duffel bags, they're very, very strong. For some indication, you guys damage one or rip one or so forth, you can replace that. Or you go, I want to split this kit up, you can get another bag. So bags are accessible. This small bag, this is not to keep your screwdrivers in, you could if you wanted to, but this small bag is to keep all of the stuff like your zippers, your tape, all your connections. One of the times I see when I get the curtain wall, all these connections like this are all shoved on the poles and then you don't know. So your containment's only as fast as the person that packs it away. If you pack it away and put everything back, all the little bits in here, right? When you do that, put all the poles in one bag, you could have the foam and the poles in one bag, and then all the header bars and plastic in another bag. It makes it so much easier for the next person to go there. They're not looking for bits and pieces. Or you take it back and you say, well, I've used this plastic, I'm going to replace the plastic. You can replace the plastic. Okay? You can even replace the plastic with the zipper built in. So, that's what you can do with the bags. So yes, you can replace the plastic. You can replace the weights on the bottom of the plastic if you want to. If you actually look after the plastic and peel the weight off, you can put on the next piece of plastic and reuse it over again. You just peel it off and just let it sit there in the weather, and the stickiness loses. You'll have to re-stick it, or you can buy another weight. One thing I see with the header bars here have got plastic ends. Too many times I see them dropped into the bag. Now, if you wrap the header bar up with the weight at the bottom in the plastic, I'll undo this one quickly for you so I show you, and then I'll re-wrap it up. So right now, the plastic is longer than the header bar. This is a 90 centimetre header bar. Where I mean by header bar, that's what I'm talking about. It's 4 metre plastic. I'm getting to the end here. So right now, we've got our foam. It's completely different to that side foam kit. So foam, and on top of the foam, we've got our header bar clips. You can put more header bar clips if you want. You can buy more just here to actually secure it better. So with your header bar clips, they secure there nice. Now, what you're doing here is when I'm wrapping it up, now I'm looking after those plastic ends. But if I don't, I see guys putting the plastic ends and putting them in separate. Why? This is ready to go. So it's ready to unroll and do my wall. So once I wrap it up, to protect it, only takes a couple of seconds to, if you spend that a little bit longer to actually look after it, it will last. Just like so. Now you can damage this all you want because it's protected. Okay? That's a good little tip there for you. Also, you've got your little multi-clamps there. You can buy more of. Okay, another great thing about this pole, spring-loaded, very strong pole, and you can lock it off. The beauty about it is this. What I can do is if I have 2 ring tops, right? So what I can do with the ring tops, see if I can get one of these rubbers off. This one looks a bit tight, this one looks a bit less. It's going to disappoint me. Let's get one of these ones. That's one of our stainless ones. Normally comes with one of these plastic ones with the kit. Stainless ones is an aftermarket one that we have. Put this up. Here we go. So this particular rubber here, you can pull the rubber off. Okay. What we can do, you can pull the other rubber off, but I need a tool. And I don't cut my videos, they're all makeshift. Okay. So what I can do, I've got a button here. If I press the button, I can drop it over that. Now what I can do is have a ring top there, and then I get my other ring top, and I put it at the top, like so. Now I can have my header bar going here, and then my header bar going here if I've got a step down bulkhead. Okay? So I'll drop this so you can see. So if I've got a step down bulkhead, right now I've got the header bar connected down here, I've got the header bar up the top, like so, and then I've got the header bar down below, like so. So I can actually step it down on a wall by using extra ring tops. So that's another little tip for you. So to get that back out, press the button, pull the ring top off, pull it up, press the button, push it off the ring top, like so, drop it down, and that's how I store the pole in my bag. Great little tip there on how to look after your curtain wall kit and what you can do with it. Thanks again for watching, guys.